Okay, time for a different vibe. The Eufy RoboVac 11S Max. This one is a classic value champion, super slim, about 2.85 tall, whisper quiet, and built for people who want simple, reliable vacuuming without resorting to cloud apps or complex setup. Eufy's site lists renewed units around $159.99, and it's frequently treated as an S-choice or value pick when on sale. So the real strength here is the price-to-performance ratio and reliability for everyday floor maintenance. It's manually controlled or remote controlled rather than Wi-Fi smart, which some folks prefer for privacy and for households that don't want another always connected gadget. When I use the 11S Max, I love how little fuss there was. Pop it out, schedule if you like via the simple onboard controls or remote, and let it do its job. On hardwood and low-pile carpets, it's remarkably effective. Boost IQ auto increases suction on tougher spots, and the suction noise balance is very friendly for daytime runs. Customer reviews tend to praise its build quality and longevity more than hyped features. You won't get LiDAR maps or app integrations, but what you do get is a dependable robot that tucks under furniture and keeps floors tidy with minimal babysitting. Critics point out the lack of app features and the smaller dustbin compared with self-emptying docks, which is fair. You'll empty it more often than with a self-empty base. Pros: slim form, quiet operation, strong day-to-day cleaning for the price. Cons: no Wi-Fi app control, smaller bin, so more manual emptying, and not ideal for deep pile rugs. If you want a low-maintenance, cost-effective robo that just cleans reliably, 11S Max remains an excellent choice. And yes, we share by links in the description box for the exact model.